Today, we wanted to show you the easiest and fastest way to set up a smart home security system. This is the IQ Installer. This is a mobile app that was designed and developed by technicians and integrators just like you. With the IQ Installer, you can activate any of our IQ panels for both commercial and residential systems. First, let's download the IQ Installer app from Apple or Google Play Store. Then simply open the app and point it at the QR code on the panel or on the screen. And scan, click, boom, you're done. This will automatically transfer over all of the relevant information needed to program your panel. Follow the prompts, and we are ready to add some sensors. Now just scan the QR codes, add names to identify the sensors, and do this all right on your phone. And no need for a laptop here, everything can be done on the app right on your smartphone. Much easier to name these sensors this way, isn't it? Installations are a breeze with the IQ Installer app, but man, what are you going to do with all this spare time?
Jason, dude!
What?
What are you doing?
What?
We have like 10 more installs to do today.
All right, let's go.